Hey guys, welcome back to Exploring Parks. This is David Parks. I'm going to go over what you should do whenever you get a light bar. So whenever you're driving down the road and you see someone with a light bar and it looks like it's cloudy and the lens is completely smoked out, it's because condensation and water is getting inside that lens. So I'd even recommend doing this with your Baja Design and rigid light bars, because I've seen in comments that even their light bars, which are $1,000, $800, experiences as well. So it's a pretty easy process. So I'm going to show you all the steps that you need to do to avoid that from happening to your light bar. So let's get to work. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is take the side brackets off the light bar. Once you do that, you'll have access to the lens of the light bar. And with this specific one that I have to unscrew each individual bracket here in order to get to the back of this. On a lot of them though, you can just pull that lens out and then take the sides, the top and bottom off to put the silicone on. So right now I'm just going to take all this off and then I'll show you how to place the silicone on these. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to get some RTV clear silicone and we're going to line the areas where the lens and the track for the lens go. So I'm going to do that right now, and if you want, come in here and zoom in, see what I'm doing. All right, now that we're done siliconing the front piece, now we're gonna silicone where the side bracket goes in. So if you see here where it opens and where the screw holes are, we're gonna put silicone around this entire area, sealing this area completely. This is the finished product here. So just 30 minutes of sealing this light bar. I have the peace of mind that it's gonna last way longer, even though it was just a $200 light. But every single crack is sealed by the sealer. So don't have to worry about any water getting inside this light bar. And for me, that's a must with any light bar that you're getting. Spend the 30 minutes to get that peace of mind that your light bar is gonna last, that your investment is gonna last way longer, sealing every single crook and cranny of the light bar. Alright guys, we'll see you in our next video. Take care.